Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Have you ever watched a squirrel darting around, gathering acorns and stashing them away for the winter? While they might seem like just cute little critters, these furry friends have some surprising lessons to teach us about personal finance. Believe it or not, the secret lives of squirrels can actually enhance our wealth-building skills. Squirrels are nature's little financial planners. They meticulously gather and store food, ensuring they have enough to survive during lean times. This habit of planning ahead and hoarding resources can inspire us to adopt similar strategies in our financial lives. Just like squirrels, we can learn to save and invest wisely, preparing for future uncertainties. Imagine if we approached our finances with the same enthusiasm and foresight as a squirrel preparing for winter. By setting aside a portion of our income, creating a budget, and investing in our future, we can build a financial nest egg that will keep us secure. So why not channel your inner squirrel, embrace their quirky habits, and apply them to your financial journey? Whether it's saving for a rainy day or investing in opportunities that will yield returns, the lessons from our bushy-tailed friends can help us become savvy savers and smart investors. Join us as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of squirrels and discover how their secret lives can lead us to financial success. Number 1, the squirrel's strategy, hoarding for the future. When you think of squirrels, you might picture them scurrying around, gathering nuts and seeds to stash away for the winter. This instinctual behavior is more than just a survival tactic. It's a brilliant strategy for financial security that we can all learn from. Hoarding, in the context of personal finance, means setting aside resources today to ensure a stable tomorrow. Just like squirrels, we can adopt effective saving strategies that will help us weather life's uncertainties. For instance, consider creating an emergency fund, much like a squirrel's hidden stash. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This fund acts as your safety net, ready to catch you when unexpected expenses arise. Another squirrel-inspired strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday, ensuring that you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. This mimics how squirrels instinctively gather food, making saving a natural part of your routine. Finally, it's essential to think long-term about your financial goals. Just as squirrels plan for the winter months, we should envision our future needs, whether it's retirement, a home purchase, or education expenses. By adopting the squirrel strategy of hoarding, we can build a solid financial foundation that secures our future and allows us to thrive no matter what challenges come our way. Number 2, planning ahead, the squirrel's calendar. Squirrels are nature's little planners, expertly preparing for seasonal changes to ensure their survival. As winter approaches, they gather and store food, anticipating the scarcity of resources. This instinctual behavior offers us valuable insights into budgeting and planning for future expenses. Just like squirrels, we can benefit from a proactive approach to our finances. The first step in effective budgeting is recognizing the importance of planning for future expenses. Whether it's holiday shopping, annual insurance premiums, or unexpected medical bills, having a clear understanding of what lies ahead can help us avoid financial stress. By anticipating these costs, we can allocate our resources more effectively, ensuring we're never caught off guard. Creating a budget that accounts for seasonal changes is essential. Start by listing your regular monthly expenses, then identify any upcoming irregular costs. For example, if you know that property taxes are due in the spring, set aside a portion of your income each month to cover that expense. This way, you won't feel the pinch when the bill arrives. Encouraging a proactive mindset is key. Just as squirrels instinctively prepare for winter, we should take charge of our financial futures. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in income or expenses, and don't forget to include savings goals. By planning ahead and budgeting wisely, we can navigate life's financial seasons with confidence and security, just like our furry friends. Number 3, diversifying investments, the squirrel's food choices. Squirrels are not just hoarders, they are savvy gatherers, collecting a variety of foods to ensure they have enough to eat throughout the year. This behavior mirrors the concept of diversifying investments, which is crucial for building a robust financial portfolio. Just as squirrels gather nuts, seeds, and fruits, we should consider a mix of investment options to safeguard our wealth. The benefits of having a diverse investment portfolio are numerous. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the risk of significant losses. If one investment underperforms, others may thrive, balancing out your overall returns. This strategy helps to create a more stable financial future, much like a squirrel's varied food stash ensures it won't go hungry. When considering different investment options, think about stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Each of these assets serves a unique purpose in your portfolio. For instance, stocks can offer growth potential, while bonds provide stability and income. Real estate can be a tangible asset that appreciates over time, and mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified collection of stocks and bonds with ease. Encouraging viewers to explore various avenues for wealth growth is essential. Just as squirrels instinctively know to gather a mix of foods, we should take the time to research and invest in different areas. By diversifying our investments, we can build a resilient financial future that withstands market fluctuations and paves the way for long-term success. Number 4, overcoming challenges, the squirrel's resilience. Squirrels are remarkable creatures known for their resilience in the face of challenges. Whether it's navigating through harsh winters or evading predators, these little animals adapt and thrive despite obstacles. This tenacity offers a powerful lesson for our personal finance journeys, especially when we encounter financial setbacks. Resilience is a crucial trait in personal finance. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment, from medical emergencies to job loss. Just as squirrels find new ways to gather food when their usual sources are depleted, we too must learn to adapt our financial strategies when faced with difficulties. Consider the story of someone who lost their job but used the opportunity to pivot their career. By leveraging their skills and exploring new industries, they not only found a new position, but also increased their income. This mirrors how squirrels will change their foraging habits based on what's available, demonstrating that flexibility can lead to new opportunities. Encouraging viewers to stay motivated during tough financial times is essential. Remember that setbacks are often temporary, and with determination and creativity, you can overcome them. Just as squirrels persistently search for food, we must remain proactive in seeking solutions to our financial challenges. By embracing resilience and adapting to change, we can navigate our financial journeys with confidence, turning obstacles into stepping stones toward success. As we wrap up our exploration of the secret lives of squirrels and their surprising lessons for personal finance, let's recap the key takeaways. First, we discussed the importance of hoarding or saving as a method of financial security. Just like squirrels stash away food for the winter, we should prioritize building an emergency fund and automating our savings to prepare for unexpected expenses. Next, we examined the value of planning ahead. Squirrels instinctively gather resources in anticipation of seasonal changes, reminding us to create budgets that account for future expenses. By thinking long-term and adjusting our financial strategies, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. Finally, we highlighted the resilience of squirrels in overcoming challenges. Their ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity serves as a powerful reminder that setbacks in our financial journeys are not the end. Instead, they can be opportunities for growth and learning. By adopting these squirrel-like habits, hoarding wisely, planning ahead, and embracing resilience, we can pave the way for financial success. If you found these insights valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more wealth-building content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these lessons. Together, let's embark on a journey toward financial empowerment, inspired by our furry friends.